So this is a triple Venn diagram problem, and I like to approach it graphically and then use a little bit of algebra. So chemistry, math, physics. And you'll note that they tell you that students choose at least 2 subjects. That means there's no one who is taking chemistry only, which is what this region represents. So make sure with the triple Venn diagrams you can describe each of these individual regions. This would be math only, that's also 0. Physics is also 0. Now all 3 subjects, there are 18 students, so that's this region here, their intersection. And now choosing mathematics as one of the subjects is 23, so that would be in this entire area. So what I'm actually going to do is to assign these individual regions x, y, and z. So our first condition is x plus 18 plus y is 23. And then similarly for physics, which is this region here, we have y plus z plus 18 is 25. So if I can simplify this, x plus y is 5, y plus z is 7. So these are my 2 equations. And then the question is smallest possible number of students who would choose chemistry as one of their subjects. So we're really looking to minimize x plus z plus 18. So this is our objective. Now I can subtract these 2 equations. I'll subtract the top one from the bottom to keep everything positive. So we'll get z minus x is 2. So that means z is x plus 2. So I can even replace that here, x plus 2, and then I can rewrite this as 2x plus 20, 2x plus 2, let me do it in steps. So 2x plus 20. And this is what I'm trying to minimize. So the question is, we know it has to be 20 or more. So we know immediately it cannot be 19. Now, can I make it 20? Can x be 0? Yes. I mean, if x is 0 here, then z would be 2. And in this case, there will be 20, which is really, if you just put x equal to 0 here, 20. Now, all you have to do is to make sure, what I'm actually always going to do is to go back and plug in, figure out what y is. X is 0, so y would be 5. And then just make sure I'm not violating any conditions. So I'll go back and check. Physics is 25, so 18 plus 5, 23, plus 2, 25. And then math is 18 plus 5, and this can be 0. So the answer is 20. So the question is difficult, but I think you need to put some kind of a structure that helps you visualize what's happening. Without the help of a Venn diagram and a little bit of algebra, I mean, you can do it technically. I'm not suggesting. There are probably few students who can do it mentally, but I cannot for sure. So figure out a method that works for you, that you're familiar with all the different regions of this triple Venn diagram, and then write the relationships out. So to summarize, the answer is B.